We're also looking at how these conditions are affecting communities in the southern part of our state.
That's right. Fox 59's Scarlett O'Hara spoke with safety officials in Jackson County about some of the challenges they're still facing tonight.
As road crews down here in Jackson County continue clearing the way, you'll be seeing piles of snow even taller than me, like these behind me, popping up around places like Seymour. Residents are also beginning to make progress, digging their cars and sidewalks out from the roughly 10 inches of snow that came down. Some telling us it's been so difficult to get around, they've tried to stay at home. State police say that has helped keep the roads fairly clear.
We had numerous slide-offs and those types of things, minor accidents. Fortunately, we didn't have those major accidents that really tied up our roads or caused injuries, major injuries.
Sergeant Stephen Wheelis says troopers in the Versailles district have been working long hours to respond to any incidents that are popping up. Something to keep in mind right now, he says, is even though much of the snow has been cleared from the major roadways, drivers should still go slowly and leave plenty of space between each other.
We have those speeds picking up, and then that's where all it takes is your one side of your tires to hit some of the slushy spots that are still on the shoulder of the roads, and that's where we see the more serious accidents.
A very busy day for all safety officials, and it happened to be Toby Ortman's first as Jackson County EMA director.
Not the usual first day, that's for sure.
He says they've now moved from a travel warning to a travel watch, but the wintry conditions still pose some obstacles for drivers and crews.
What's hindering the roadway crews is the drifting. And the drifting is, they plow it and then a few hours later it's drifted so bad it's almost impassable.
So both EMA and state police are urging people in southeastern Indiana to remain patient and careful.
The threatening conditions still exist, so you still have to use extreme caution if you do go out.
The Seymour Department of Public Works says they do not have a definite plan yet for tomorrow, but will continue to monitor road conditions. They've asked people to stay home if possible and allow crews to work. In Seymour, Scarlett O'Hara, Fox 59 News.
Scarlett.